did fall out, didn't it?
The bitch supposed to be bald. No, bitch, you a fucking crackhead. I hate black people so fast. He don't say no motherfucking mama.
I'm gonna like squeeze your body and just push it all out. Show it up your ass. Oh, my nipples in your face. Sorry. God damn, mind your business. She said, ha!
Girl, what?
I'm definitely editing that out.
My nipples is in your face. Mind your business. Sound like you the one that needs to mind your business. You being a creep. Well, pervert.
Yeah, I used to be able, I probably can't do it because my hair kind of straight. But I used to be able to like
Put
switch
stuff
stuff.
in your hair? That's so cool.
I can't do it. The motherfucker.
That
I watch
is so cool.
Stick shit. It grossed me out low key, but I used to do it. I could have had a lot of shit taken to school. When I was younger and shit. My mama said don't touch my hair. Cause I gotta go through the medical test.
Bro, say listen, get the fuck out.
What for? I mean, it's but no. Some security guards, they know you're a good student. They gonna let you pass.
I think that's a fake.
What stuff?
Stuff I just got.
Oh, don't say that.
The Olaplex.
Why you say that?
Cause the label on it look weird from the other label. First stuff I got it exactly from Olaplex.
You should
The
look that
second one
up.
I got is from Amazon. I went to the Olaplex store at Amazon, but and it just had me thinking about Sierra. She had got some from.
I had that fall out, didn't it?
Where the fuck is she?
Can you get one chip?
No, I gotta feed you.
Can I get one chip? You're so cute. Did I tell y'all I know how to play the piano like Alicia Keys? I know how to play the piano. They used to call me Little Keys.
Who the fuck?
Hey, need to do this.
Keith?
Who?
Keith?
No, not Keith.
Oh, fuck I'm
I'm
happy you these motherfuckers just look at little Alicia. I hate black people so fast. Look at little Alicia. Sir. She's not the only person to play piano. That's the only one you know.
Little Steve.
What are you guys talking about?
She can play the keys. She can play the piano.
Oh, I love popsicles.
What are you talking about popsicles for? You so cute. Alright, don't start that. I can see it now.
Go upstairs.
Oh.
I love you.
Bye-bye. See ya.
Okay, I gotta go. I have to put a bra on. I couldn't. Y'all saw it to me. And you know, this sexual healing. Sexuality. What are you what I was gonna say, what are you talking about?
Okay, hold on. Nigga.
Hold on.
Is it on your hands?
And then what?
Only a little.
Guess I gotta go to the stove tomorrow. Curse wipes.
Right there. I wanna bang, bang, baby. I wanna bang, bang. Where we get that from? What is that? Finish the Bird? Is it? Hell no, that ain't finishing. That's Family Guy.
Oh, I think both of them had a song like that.
Something
that just
like
hurt a lot of shit.
Ooh.
Don't worry about that. Worry about it hurting me.
Yeah, I know. That's how I was saying, ooh, because I realized what you was doing.
That shit had hurt.
I'm gonna like squeeze your body and just push it all out.
That's gross. You think I'm SpongeBob? I just grossed you out.
Imagine SpongeBob was sick. God, Jesus.
Ew, that's gross. Ew, that is disgusting.
See?
Like, that's ew. Ew.
A nasty sponge.
Ew, Caleb. Okay, ew.
Hey, he didn't have no both
He
sides.
been sick before, too. You know
He
what?
have?
I'm done with, that's why I'm doing this one.
I didn't know that shot. Y'all know what I don't
He
got?
stayed home from work one time because he was sick, I think.
Oh, Gary.
Yeah. I think Gary was taking care of him.
What he says? What did he say, Gary? Something don't feel good.
Girl, I don't know.
don't feel good. What did he say to Gary that's his name is? I don't think he said SpongeBob don't feel good. What the fuck he saying?
Do you say daddy?
Daddy don't feel good.
No, I don't think he said that.
Daddy don't feel good.
That sounded kind of
He say something.
sounds really
Mommy
weird.
don't feel good.
He don't say no motherfucking mommy. Even
Mommy!
though I think he already playing for that team, but I don't think.
Y'all, so this is what I do. I wash my hair with real hot ass water.
That's not good.
And I'm just gonna do it.
You do that shit, shut up.
They say do it with warm water. A conditioner with warm water.
They said cold, I think.
Bitch, I ain't doing no fucking cold.
Like, I tried.
That's when you know take showers cold. They nasty ass motherfuckers. I'm sorry, that's the pet.
But you was putting it in your hair. How you want to put the
know.
sauce in your head? Then you like, bitch, what you doing? Sorry, my bad. Watch out. Lean to the left. I mean to the right. Ha! You got new pieces in your hair. I didn't want to do that. Sorry, so yeah.
That's okay.
Scoot your ass back, nigga. Thank you.
You want that shit, huh?
Maybe. Yeah, I do not want to wash my hair really, to be honest. I hate washing my hair. I like it because I want something to do with my hair, but I hate it. My back is hurting. Really.
My neck and my back. Ha!
like the commercials, they be like, you don't have to wash the dishes. You could just do this and before you put in, no, they be like, hate washing the dishes before you put it in the dishwasher. Just use
Cascade would just get the job done. No more scrubbing your arm and your arm hurt. Your wrist gonna fall off.
I didn't expect you to say that.
Done, Cascade, you know, get the job done. All you gotta do, shut the fuck up, okay? Cause sometimes that shit don't work.
Show it up your ass.
Up there. What's that? Shampoo?
Yeah.
Why you don't condition your hair and shampoo and conditioner?
Cause I be forgetting.
You just don't give a fuck.
Nah, I don't give a fuck. Oh, I probably should do that. That'd be easier to comb. But then you say it. What am I doing? I'm nervous.
Just wash your hair and do mine. Look the way you gonna do it. Bye. Let's do it.
I'm gonna bang.
Okay, I can't wait to get done with my hair. Cut.
Oh, I was gonna try to flatten it or something.
Not tonight.
Yeah, no. I might cause I got the shit inside of me.
Where'd you go? That's that crackhead.
I did that.
No, bitch, you's a fucking crackhead.
I feel like a fucking child. I don't like this.
That's a lot of fucking hair.
I know. You know how like a child, like when you get your hair washed as a child, you feel you don't have control or nothing.
I want my hair to hit my shoulders and that's it. All of my collarbone.
Yeah, collarbone.
No, my under my shoulder blade. That's about it.
I was say I wish they had like braid wigs, but they do. But I don't want it to be a wig though. Like I want it
under my shoulder blade. That's about it.
Can you get sew-in braid wigs?
What the fuck are you talking about?
You know how they got braided wigs, right?
Yeah.
Like lace front.
You want to sew it?
They last longer, don't they? Are you watching me?
Because I'm thinking about this sewing lace front.
Oh.
They gotta do something at some point.
Yeah.
So that's on you.
They said you was supposed to scratch your hair. Every time I go to the fuck live, they scratch the fuck on my head.
Who said you ain't supposed to scratch your hair?
People on TikTok and all that shit.
Why not?
I don't know. They said it's do some shit. You supposed to no on YouTube. I'm sorry.
Somebody said she used gloves when she washed her hair because of the friction showing back her hair. You seen her earlier when I was on Instagram. She had a lot of hair. She was dark skinned, a lot of hair, but she was talking about something, so you probably took her face.
I can bother faces.
You like looked at it and like kept talking, so you looked away with it.
Okay, this motherfucker is hot and cold. I don't understand it. Like it's not warm. Just some fucking.
You weirdo. Okay, finish talking to your people. So I don't talk no more.
Alright, yeah. I'm gonna get to y'all later. Yeah, this is why I hate touching my hair. Because when I touch it, I get a hair scare. I keep getting hair scared. I keep thinking my hair is coming out, but it's not. Like, look how much this is. It scares me. But then just like, at first I wasn't that scared when it used to happen. I'm like, oh, whatever. But it's coming out a little bit too much now. And it's just like, I don't know what to do. A bitch supposed to be bald. It ain't even about, it's about thinning. But like, I be thinking that my hair is gonna stop thinning. A little bit closer. When you're up there, yeah. So yeah, that's what I be thinking. I be thinking. Last time I washed my hair, I had a real bad hairstyle. The worst hairstyle. I was crying. I was like, I told my sister, the one who got a channel with me, Tori. I said, sis, I gotta, my hair is falling out. My hair is falling out. And she was like, let's see, because she does hair. She was like, sis, it's not coming out. I see what you're talking about, but it's not coming out. And you just gotta take better care of your hair, and it wouldn't do as much. And I was like, okay. I think it was the last video I did with my hair. Oh, my hair is getting longer a little bit. Oh shit, this hurt. But I like how the dye is going to the end, so I could re-dye it. It's been 2 years, y'all. I didn't even know that. That is wow. It's been 2 years since I did my hair. Let me see, May. No, it's only been a year. Sorry. It'll be 2 years in May. It'll be 2 years in May. That I dye my hair. Hopefully by May, this will be out of my hair completely. Y'all think I should get it bleached? I'm thinking about getting it bleached. I don't want it bleached because I'm terrified. I know they say bleaching your hair is terrible because it damages shit. I'm scared to get it bleached. But at the same time, I'm like, I want my hair lighter like a little bit. Just for fun. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy like blue or green or nothing like that because my style of clothes, I don't do that. If I was like that type of person to like do fashion like that, I would have my hair in all different colors. Hell yeah. But I'm not the type of person, so I'm not gonna do my hair like that. But I do want like a lot of brown. You see how this is like a brown? I want it like a little bit lighter. And then, yeah. now. But my hair is naturally dark brown. Like you would think it was black. It was black. If I show you all my other videos, y'all be like, oh, okay. But I don't think I got, oh yes I do. I do got videos of my hair looking black as hell. Alright, I didn't wash it. I just rinsed it to get all like the dirt out. Not all of it, but like some of it before I wash it. You know how you get in the shower and you rinse off your body first and you put whatever's on it and then, you know, you wash it and then you rinse it off again, then you wash it again. That's what I do. Like I put shampoo in my hair like 2 times or 3, actually 2 to 3 times because how thick it is and stuff before I wash it out. And then I put conditioner in 1 time and I let it sit.
Do this by myself, I do it by my lonely. Gotta watch my back cause all my eyes be on me. When I shoot, I never miss, that be like Dirk go Kobe.